We're here in Jamaica. We're right outside the home of the American ambassador. This is my friend and colleague and patient, Ron. He's president of the American Chamber of Commerce in Jamaica. He's CEO of his company, works in Montego Bay. Ron has committed himself to helping Jamaica. He's employing hundreds of employees and invited me here this morning because he understood my passion for working with people and to try and expand my horizons, to reach to the highest level of success. And so I just want you to talk to Ron a little bit and hear how important it is to have that kind of passion to do business, to employ people, and why he came here in Jamaica and why he's working so hard, and how he decided to help someone like me to put me in a better position so I can help my country and to give back, which is something I want to do.
Thanks, Doc. I think it's important to realize that when you come to a place in life or a place in the world where something just feels right for you, that you go for it and give it your all. I mean, I came to Jamaica to look to expand my business about 13 years ago. I met the people. I felt like I was at home. I felt like they appreciated that to make a difference and wanted to make a difference in their own lives. Just the littlest things, just to make it a Friday night a better dinner at home with their children, or a Sunday at church. And so I came down and opened my business, and then I realized how many more people out there in the world that are like me that could come to Jamaica and make a difference and build their business, and why they build their business, also build a better Jamaica. And had the fortunate, through unfortunate circumstances, of meeting Kingsley through health issues, but that gave me even more motivation to see him and what he's able to do, and to have the trust in him, and to really do whatever it takes to make me healthy, and on more than one occasion, as you can see here. But also to set goals, and had a tremendous, still obviously have a tremendous respect for him and goal setting. And why today was important and why I wanted him to be here was 3 weeks ago right now, I was on a video like this, and it was about 3 weeks ago right now, 6.5 hours in surgery. I was about to go under, and I told him I had a goal to be here for the 19th at our ambassador's breakfast, and that if he got me here in 3 weeks, then I would bring him with me, and that's why we're here. But the most important part about that is that goal drove me to get healthier and to not make excuses, and to overcome this time around, especially a lot of obstacles in my recovery, because I had that eye set at the end of the tunnel that I was going to be here. And it's great that he's here with me, and we had a fantastic breakfast with the U.S. ambassador.
Yeah, so there's a lot of lesson here, but I want to talk about success and how luck. People talk about luck. I'm not lucky. You're luckier. The only thing I think luck plays in success, Ron, is the people you meet.
Absolutely.
Right?
Circumstance of luck.
So
Yep.
You go through your life and you are lucky to meet the right people, but if you're not prepared,
Yeah.
then it's nothing. It's not luck, it's nothing for you, right?
Absolutely.
I met you when I was head of spine surgery at University of Pennsylvania, and I remember you took out your plan to go to Jamaica
Yeah.
and to open a business and to work with the people here to generate employment.
And I didn't know
do
you
all
were
that.
from Jamaica.
You didn't even know that. You were just you were passionate about that.
I was telling you about what I was
right?
going to do. Yeah.
You're passionate about that. So that's the other thing. You have to have a passion, and the way you do that, there's another video that I have online that talk about the 7 M's of how you can use any of those to help you develop passion and drive. But the idea of luck is, to me, the only way luck plays in business, who you meet. And so look around at the people who come in and out of your life, discuss your passion with them, talk about them,
Absolutely.
ask people a lot of questions.
Yeah.
And I also have another video that talks about where you spend your time. 50% of your time on you and developing yourself, 50% with other people.
Yes.
Right? So we're here today, this morning, spending time at the ambassador's home in Jamaica with some incredibly successful people, some movers and shakers in this country.
Inspiring.
Inspiring, right?
Yes.
And so
Surrounding yourself with good people, and surrounding yourself with people that have skill sets you might not have, but to listen, no matter what point and stage in your life or how old you get, you can constantly learn.
that's the key. So have a passion, have a drive to succeed, personal development. Also, part of that, I think at least 50%, match your personal drive with the drive to work with other people, help other people. And as you do that, you get lucky. You meet people like I met Ron, and when he shared his passion with me, now here I am, a poor kid, grew up in Jamaica. On the other side of this country, very poor, and now I'm having breakfast with the U.S. ambassador and with a CEO who's now a patient of mine. This is what it's all about. So have a passion, look at the people in your life, that's your luck, right? And take advantage of it.